Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have the weekend deal just before the parking lot sale. Weekend deal, free gift weekend. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping, maybe becoming a channel member. And let's jump in. Free gift weekend. I don't see an ITC version, and at least according to this super coupon, it makes sense because, well, let's go through it. The super coupon is showing free gift with any purchase. And if you are a HARBRO or you follow the channel and you're here often, you know that normally super coupon has a money limit. Maybe it's $15.99. Maybe for a free head, it's spend $30, which sounds a bit wild. But in this case, it's a super coupon free gift with any purchase, asterisk. Choose one of 3 items. 2-pack, not Shakur, 3.5-inch LED mini flashlights. 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch tarp, all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp for the Tarp Bros, and an 18-inch magnetic tool holder. Pretty straightforward. Tools sold separately, that's why they're dashed out. Limit: 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store while supplies last. Valid 8/7 to 8/9. So starting Friday, coupon must be presented at the time of use. Receive 1 free gift of the following items with any single purchase. Cannot be combined with other offers or prior purchases. Excludes Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards. Other restrictions may apply. So straightforward. These are the free gifts, free gift weekend. Now, let me remind you, or if you're new, let me show you how the best way to get your free gift. So first, we're going to start off by looking at just the value of the free gifts. So we have the 3.5-inch. That's just slightly below average. LED mini flashlights, 2-pack. Again, Diddy did it. A bright mini flashlight that fits right in your pocket. Is that a flashlight in your pocket, or are you happy to see me? $3.49 value, although on Inside Track right now, which expires the 27th, so you got some time, it's already down to $1.79. So if you're ITC, technically it's only a $1.79 value. $1.79 value, odd to say. So already 48% off, but let's just say if you get this $1.79 value, you can technically get a free one of these lights. So this is a $3.49 value normally. Great light. Let's look at the reviews. Plenty of reviews and pretty positive. 4.7 stars out of 5. 96% of people of the HARBROs would recommend. Mini flashlight, 9 LED bulbs, shine light in the darkness. Shine bright like a diamond. Excellent flashlight for the price. Excellent flashlight, again, for the price. Needed a little more light in tight spaces. Great product. Look at that. This is clearly a HARBRO. I bought these to give away as gifts to my clients ahead of the winter storm. They loved it. Genius idea. And especially if they're free, not as bright in Cassie yellow light. Okay, fair enough. Good little flashlights for the house. Give them to your kids. Keep them for yourself. Great product. Easy to work with on this project. So pretty straightforward. 3.5-inch LED mini flashlight, 2-pack. Definitely hit up Harbor Freight to get these $350 value. Then we have same $350 value. The Harbor Freight 5-foot 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch blue all-purpose weather-resistant 4mm tarp. $349. Not an ITC. Extra tough waterproof tarp. Won't crack under freezing temperatures. Good to know. And it's just a free tarp if you happen to be in this weekend. Look at this. Wah-wee-wah. Great way to meet women at the park. I could not disagree more. For a picnic, large tarp at a small price. Meat tarp. Yikes. A very convenient size and reasonable price. Gray ones are more durable. Just what I needed to cover their car. Look at, they almost covered the entire top of the car. That's the convertible portion. And that's your tarp. 4.6 stars out of 5, $3.49 normally, $3.50 value. You could walk out with a free tarp. And then the last one is the US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder. Use this handy magnetic tool holder in your shop, office, or garage, or anywhere. $5 value. Does go on sale often, but in this case, it would be free. Almost 13,000 reviews, which is nuts. 4.8 stars out of 5, 98% would recommend. Perfect for ammunition magazines. Look at that. Clever. Blackstone grill, clever, practical multi-use, and excellent value. Love it. I put them everywhere. For the price, you can't go wrong with these strips. Look at that. They do have them everywhere. Great magnetic tool holders for building a tool wall. They have a bunch. I've gathered a lot of these. It made a tool wall to hang my most used tools. So much better than a pegboard. Tool walls, easy to rearrange tools to meet your needs. You can't beat the versatility. Nail screw picker. Look at this. They made their own. Although Harbor Freight has a good one. Bought this to use as a push type nail screw picker upper. Bought some wheels. Terrific grab bar, and you get the picture. $499 value. US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder. There's some hacks here too. HARBROs can explain in the comments how they've used it. So those are the 3 free items. $5 value for the magnetic tool holder. Then we got the tarp, and then we have the flashlights. And then, of course, we'll get into what I recommend to normally get these. One place you can look at if you want to. Not recommended necessarily, but we do have some cool new items. White US General Mini Toolbox is here. We got the purple. We got everything else. White, brand new color. Not available in my store. Wonder if it's available in yours. But keep an eye out for the white mini toolbox. And then we have this new Icon 12-in-1 multi-professional. What is that? A Stormtrooper gun? No, multi-laser infrared thermometer. $65. Not on discount yet, but just heads up, you can be one of the first to pick it up. So start off there just briefly, but we really are starting off at the lowest priced items at Harbor Freight. And they have these craft magnet blocks, 2-piece, currently 47 cents on clearance. Pick these up for 47 cents and you can get your free choice of tool. Fairly strong ceramic magnets. Great reviews, 47 cents, general purpose. If you find those, you're out with a free gift. Or we have the 1-inch and 2-inch chip brushes. One's not so nicely priced at 59 cents, but the 2-inch chip brush is nicely priced at 69 cents. These they normally have at the front register, 79 cents. You can just grab one, just go straight to the register, grab one of these, probably grab your free tool. You're out of there like a bandit at 79 cents. The classic 7-inch carpenter's pencil, nicely sized, not so nicely priced. And of course, a few more items on clearance. Huge one always, the 99-cent, 55-pound, 19-gallon double XL bag. Huge, super convenient, use it for everything. They do currently have the clog-resistant job site permanent markers 2-pack. Again, not Shakur. 100%. 99 cents, 50% off. These are HARBRO, a HARBRO favorite. They should have like a HARBRO approved stamp on here. 4.7 stars out of 5. 95% would recommend. And very positive feedback from the HARBROs. I work. Does the job. Good price. Man filter. Benz E250. Draw on your golf balls. So good option. And then, of course, go down the way Pittsburgh ceramic block magnets at 99 cents. Great price. Instant savings. Safety glasses with clear lenses. Smoke or yellow lenses. Anyways, those are your options at the lowest price to walk out with a free gift. And then there are some pretty good deals going on to walk out with a free gift. Not so highly priced. Cover Pro 5-foot by 5-foot canvas drop cloth is at $4 right now, 42% off. The Pittsburgh 10-inch adjustable wrench is $4.99, 37% off. So not a bad item to pick up. Pittsburgh 6-inch diagonal cutters for $1.99, 50% off. The Pittsburgh side terminal battery ratchet is down to $2, 42% off. And some inside track, the Hercules 9x11-inch dry sanding sheets, $4.59, 42% off. The Bauer 4.5-inch metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, down to $4.49, also 50% off. US General drive magnetic socket holder, 41% off. Better than the 30% off of $20 and under. Down to $9.96. 41% off right now for ITC. Stick Tech painter's tape down to $3, 50% off. Hallmaster D-ring, cargo D-ring, 2-pack for $1.49. Also 50% off. Some good pickups to get your free gift. Stick Tech clear packaging tape. It's a 3-pack, $3.98. 43% off right now. The Pittsburgh 3-pound neon orange dead blow hammer. Down to $7.96. It's 33% off right now. US General, again, the magnetic spray can and screwdriver holder. It's down to $9.96. Only $15, 33% off. Hercules tool bag, the 16-inch tool bag with 6 pockets, $9.94. 41% off. Better than the storage bag days. $9.94. And then this one we talked about, a little bit of Inception. 3.5-inch LED mini flashlights, 2-pack, 48% off. Down to $1.79. Walk out with some more flashlights. Doyle 3-pound steel drilling hammer. I like $12, 33% off. Ultimate Streak Free Glass Towels, $3.96. This is a fun one, 50% off. The 3-in-1 Multi-Purpose Stripper Crimper Cutter. I love these. Pittsburgh, 43% off. Some Hercules 4.5-inch cutoff wheels. 10-pack, 53% off, down to $6. Storehouse, $4 for their portable storage case, 42% off. Some One Stop Gardens 22-inch head shears with wavy blade, down to $9.98, 47% off. That's nuts. US General 15 slot wrench organizer, $4.98, 37% off. 4-in-1 plumber's brush, $1.98, 33% off. Basically, any one of those purchases, all super solid deals. What I recommend for you to pick up your free gift, maybe if you happen to be in Harbor Freight this weekend with any purchase. So if you're there, you're probably already purchasing anything. If you're looking for a reason and there's a Harbor Freight nearby, the ones that we just went over will save your pockets the best. But anyways, that's the weekend deal, Harbros. Let me know if you're going to pick these up. Not the highest priced free gifts that we've seen, not the highest value, but still decent value free gifts. We cannot complain. August 7th to August 9th, still going on. Harbros, if you've gone to Harbor Freight in the last few days and you spent over $15 or $30 ITC or super coupon respectively, please tell me that you picked up your hat, unless you just didn't want it. But you have to make sure to ask. You still have time today if you happen to be at Harbor Freight. But anyways, I'll leave it at that, Harbros. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.